World Vision's Child Health Now campaign is really important. I've seen for myself about why it is that those first 1,000 days of a child's life are so important. I've seen projects run by the European Union in parts of South Asia, spoken with mothers who can see the difference in their children between those that have gone through a nutrition program, very cheap, very easy, and those children who haven't. And that's a very bittersweet conversation to have, where parents will tell you about how their children who are well nourished are much more dynamic, they're bigger, they're more lively, more of a handful, compared to older children. And in a way that's sad, but in another it really proves the difference intervention at those early stages can make. It's also important that children are registered at birth. Again, we know the problems for children who have no identity in formal terms, that their access to education, to healthcare, to life chances in good jobs later on can really be affected. I've seen that too, with Rohingya people thrown out of Burma, finding themselves in Thailand, Bangladesh, where they're not recognised, and they're not alone. This is the future for so many children, because birth registration and issues of statelessness are not addressed. And we also know how important it is for the life chances of children, for parents, for mothers in particular, to be well looked after before birth, during and shortly after birth, because we know as well the risk of child mortality can be so much greater in so many places if that effective care is not in place. So, as I say, the World Vision Child Health Now campaign is really important. This is European Year of Development. We should be investing in the development of the world's children. That's our future as well as theirs.